Hello everyone, how's it going guys? It's Marky. Man, so excited to finally get around to opening this one I found a few days ago. Opening Hot Wheels today guys. New Diecast car videos every day, new cars to show ya. Let's bring this one up close. This one is the 98 Honda Prelude. Wow, check out that front end. I love that they gave us the fog lights there. These lights look pretty good too. Nice Honda badge there in the middle, and the black grill that's showing through here, part of the base, really cool. Nice white wheels, 5 spokes on this beautiful yellow enamel color with a red interior. And we do have like a black hood here, sunroof, little antenna there. They gave us some wipers on the windshield. It is a right side driver. That's the wrong side for America. Let's take a look all around. Beautiful back end, a lot of details on this one. Love that. Really nice. Look at the exhaust right here. How cool. And we do have the side view mirrors on this one. No rear view mirror inside, but we do have the side view mirrors. And you can see inside pretty good because of the sunroof. Helps a little bit. The windows are rolled down. Little handle on the door there. Some little something right here. Really nice Honda Prelude. Nice little wing back here. That looks pretty sweet. I'm liking this series a lot. This Hot Wheels J Import series. This one's number 2 of 10 of these. Wow, that's awesome. We're gonna have 10 different Japanese imports in this series for this year. The 98 Honda Prelude. And look at the, check out the artwork on this one. That looks pretty cool. Great job. We got the side mirrors. All the lights there. Really cool. It's really nice. $1998 Honda Prelude, made in Malaysia. Hot Wheels. Here's the exhaust system. This one's copyrighted 2019 in Mattel. N45 stamped on the base. It looks like tires and wheels are the same size. Really cool. Like I said, I'm liking this series a lot. It's pretty cool. And I did finally find another one of the Subaru, which if you saw my video, you know I bought it before. And mine came with the split wing in the back, or the spoiler, or the tail, whatever you want to call that. You can see right there. So I found another one, guys. So happy that I got another one. Also has some damage here in the front. So got a little better one. It does have something on there. I don't know if that'll come off, a little white spot. But I picked up another one, so we'll see how that one does. But this is from that series as well, same series. This one's number 1 and that one's number 2. Number 1 of 10 and number 2. Let's see how they look side by side, even though this is the damaged one. Pretty cool series. How do you like this J Import series? I think it's gonna turn out pretty cool. I'm gonna have some nice Hot Wheels. And here's another Honda that I have, that I bought not too long ago. It's gonna look pretty cool in my little Honda stash of cars, to have all these Hondas together. This one is a Civic, Honda Civic SI. It's gonna be pretty cool. I found a few new cars. So exciting. This one I picked up the other day. I hadn't opened it yet. This is the Corvette C7 Z06 convertible. Finally out of the package. I've been opening so many cars, didn't have time to get to this one. Finally, here it is. This one's from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics Series 4 of 10. And it is copyrighted 2020 on the back of the card. It's got a nice black color with a silver interior. Left side driver, no mirrors on the side. The visors are up. I don't see a rear view mirror. There is some flashing in there that needs to be cut off by the seat and the console. You can see that. Need to trim all that flashing off. Bucket seats on this one. Only 2 doors, of course. Nice graphics on it. Beautiful tampo work. We have the Hot Wheels logo in red with a black background, and then we have the red and orange stripes, K&N logos on there. K&N right here. Nice Corvette badge here in the front. Beautiful stripes with the red and orange. Little silver showing through right there. And this one has some nice tampo, excuse me, some really nice, excuse me, wow, let me get some water here. Excuse me, guys, man. It's early in the morning, making this video really early. It's hard to get the voice going early in the morning. But man, look at this. Check out these beautiful lights. All that detail gives them a lot of depth. They look so cool. It's a really mean looking Corvette right there. Look at that grill. Looks like he's grinning as he's speeding down the road. Big spoiler. We do have some running boards in silver. Orange chrome wheel on the back and a gray wheel on the front. That's how it shows it on the card. Excuse me. Wow. Here it is on the card with the chrome orange and the gray in the front. They do show the mirrors on this one. The graphics here. And no mirrors on the model or the casting. Check it out. Did a pretty good job though. Look at the front end with that spoiler in the front. Very cool. Let's check out the back here. Ooh, it's very plain in the back. We do have the 4 pipes and a spot for the license plate. Little area where there's probably some lights. Casted shapes for the lights there. Little tail back here. Nice stripes going all the way to the back. Lots of tampo work on this one on the sides, over the top. Looks like the little door for the gas tank right there. Let's see how they look side by side. 2 cars I just opened right now. Honda Prelude and the Chevy Corvette. Excuse me. Well, here they are, guys. A couple of new cars for the collection. Finally out of the package. Honda Prelude and the Corvette. Awesome cars. You're gonna want to subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss out on my daily videos, every day diecast car videos, every day new videos. Thanks so much, guys, for stopping by and hanging out, checking out the new cars. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.